Today we're going to be doing the trunnion upgrade on the Z06. We've cammed it, and now we're going to do a few upgrades. We've done the valve springs, some new seals, and now we're going to do the trunnion upgrade. Okay, so here we're going to be using a 10 mil socket and a 21 mil socket, and the vise to press them out. There's a special tool you can get for this, but I find this pretty easy to do, and I have the tools lying around to use. I also have a hydraulic press, but I feel like it's a little bit of overkill to use that, and this worked just fine.